Hello YouTube. Today we're going to try to start this 10 horsepower Tecumseh go-kart. It's definitely a cold start. It's pretty cold out here. Not going to drive it around. It's got some flat tire there. Flat tire over there. So I just hope she starts. I didn't start it up. I just cranked it to see if the battery was charged. So we're going to see if she'll start up for the winter old start, cold start. There's a lot of them going to be coming up now. Since it's really cold out, guys, start them up. Here we go. Get all them bikes out of the way. Let's see here. Try choke. Oh my. Oh my. Oh. Let's see here. On. Full choke. Get some pumpage. Pump, pump. Looks like I'm going to have to go get some starting fluid. It don't want to start. I'll be right back. Well, I got some ether. And I don't never have to use ether on it, but I've never started it up in the winter, so it's never got started in the winter, so looks like she's gonna need some. My, it's cold. See if old Betsy will start. Here we go for try two. Try two. Looks like she's only wanting to start on starting fluid. Well, looks like she's not going to start for us today. Let's see what's next. Hope we'll get her started again. Once I get it running, I'll try to make a video of it then.